Welcome to Science by PK. Imagine waking up one morning, looking into the sky and seeing not just the sun, but a second blazing star. What would happen if Jupiter, our solar system's largest planet, suddenly ignited and became a star of its own? First, let's clear some things up. Jupiter is often called a failed star. That's because it's mostly hydrogen and helium, like the sun. But to actually ignite a nuclear fission, the process that powers stars would need to be about 80 times more massive than it's now. Still, let's imagine the impossible. Jupiter suddenly swells into a second sun. The first thing we notice, our night sky would never be the same. Jupiter is already the brightest planet we can see, but as a star, it would rival the sun itself. Nights on Earth would glow almost as bright as day, with Jupiter casting eerie twin shadows across the landscapes. The concept of nighttime as we know it would vanish. But things get far scarier. When we think about heat, Earth orbits the sun in the perfect habitable zone, and add another star, even a dim red dwarf, and the balance shatters. Temperatures on Earth could soar, ice caps would melt, oceans might boil. In just a short time, Earth could transform into a sweltering greenhouse, more like Venus than the blue planet we know. And it wouldn't just be Earth. The entire solar system would be rearranged. With Jupiter blazing, its immense gravity would still tug at other planets, but now its radiation would blast them too. Moons like Europa and Ganymede, once frozen worlds, could thaw and develop liquid oceans on their surface, maybe even becoming habitable for life. Meanwhile, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would bask in even more light and heat than ever before. The outer solar system would no longer be a cold, distant realm. Instead, it might burst into activity with icy worlds melting and comets disintegrating in the glare of two suns. But here's the kicker. Two stars in one system rarely spell stability. Their gravitational tug of war could eventually destabilize planetary orbits. Over millions of years, Earth's path around the sun could shift, or even fling us out of the solar system entirely. So what if Jupiter turned into a star? For a brief moment, it might create a solar system filled with dazzling skies and thought-out moons. But for Earth, it would mean the end of the delicate balance that makes life possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.